Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw some cherries. Let's start off by drawing a curve that swoops down and then around and over like so. Behind this cherry, draw the exact same shape. For the stem, draw a long, slightly curved line that goes up from the divot here, followed by another stem from the other cherry that goes up to the same point. Where the stems meet, draw a small thin triangle like so. For some more detail, add 2 small ovals over here to make the cherries look shiny. And now you've got some cherries!